me dropping my phone. She's already legged it once because it was petrifying and was going to eat her. I've got the saddle on. No. Doesn't help, it's windy as hell and that rug just got blown off. Right, stand. Although that wasn't offensive, was it? You just stood there and looked at that like that. Right, I'm not doing it until you stood still. No. Give her a loose ring so I don't want her to feel trapped. She's the sort of pony that panics whenever she's under pressure, but I need to get it a bit looser. Right. Sorry about the videoing. So this is what I'm doing. It's this. Good girl. Sorry, it's going to be the bad videoing when I'm putting it back on. Good girl. She's flinching a little bit, it's a lot better than before. So I thought I'd do it first without videoing. And there's nowhere I can set the camera up without it falling off because of the wind. Ready? Good girl. Again? Good girl. What done? You're not really scared of it, are you? No. Not really. Right now, take the different side. Stand. No, stand. This is her worst side, I don't know why. She really freaked out when I did it on this side. I did it really slowly as well. Nope. Good girl, you're alright, it's not going to kill you. Promise. Ready? Down. You've got to get used to it. People are going to do this, especially if you're in a rush or a show. They're going to be like, ah, quick, slap the saddle on. And then it's like, no, you need to be looking this way. You ready? Good girl. Do these, it doesn't slap very much as the leather saddles. Good girl. Well done. It's all petrified, isn't it? I need to sponge your eye, it's all gooky and gross. Isn't it? At least I actually managed to catch her as well. She never liked me catching her. And the only time I could was bringing her into here. And then eventually she sort of gave up when I got food. But she was actually out in the field and she ran away a bit, and then in the end I just looked at her and went, come on Lapwing, and just walked up to her, gave her food and put her hair collar on. It's like, you're so strange, aren't you? You didn't touch me, you're so touchy, aren't you? Smitter, but you're so soft. Right, ready? Once more, now we've got a break. Ready? Ready? Good girl, well done. And just stay put. Stand. my phone then. What I'm doing is opening and closing the door. And she ran as fast as she possibly could. It's really hard to like do it. Come here a minute. Don't be ridiculous. How many times have you seen the door? No, no. Look. And it closes. And it opens. Yeah, you still got your saddle on. I'm taking that off. You're not fussed by that though. You're fussed by other ridiculous things. No, look, it closes. See? I'm trying to do it with my foot. Come a bit closer. What was that about them? Why are you so scared of everything? I don't want to give her a short rope, because like I said in another video, she'll feel trapped. At least now she's got room to run away if she wants. But I've still got her. Come on. Ready? No, don't be silly. What I don't understand is that we've been doing this with her. Bugger. I've got to open that. No. Can you stop pulling? That's rude. Ready? No. And it opens. No, stop hiding over there in the docks. Come on. No, that's you. No, you put yourself in there. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. Why is it offensive? Why is the door scary? No. The wind isn't helping either because it's opening and closing by itself. What the hell are you going to be like on the roads, madam? I think she's like this today because it is windy. So when I walked her out, she wasn't. She was scared of things. Don't get me wrong. Some of it on video, but she wasn't like this. Sorry, I don't know what we're doing. No, that's just the door closing. Look, closing. Ready and opening. Just don't understand it. Really don't. You could probably do this all day with her and she'd still act exactly the same as what she was when you started. Hey? It's a door. Most ponies get excited when that opens. Because they know the food's in there.